Homemade Mayonnaise Recipe. Making mayonnaise at home is quick, easy, and much tastier than the store-bought version. With just a few simple ingredients, you'll have a creamy, velvety mayo that's perfect for sandwiches, salads, dips, and dressings. Ingredients: 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup sunflower oil or any neutral oil, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Method: in a food processor, add the egg, Dijon mustard, vinegar, and salt. Blend for about 20 seconds until well combined. Begin adding the sunflower oil very slowly, just a few drops at a time, while the processor runs. This step is crucial for the emulsion to form. Once the mixture starts to thicken, gradually increase the speed of adding oil in a thin, steady stream until fully incorporated. Add the lemon juice, blend for a few more seconds, and your mayonnaise is ready. Tips for perfect mayonnaise. Make sure all ingredients are at room temperature for the best emulsification. If the mayo is too thick, add a teaspoon of water to adjust the consistency. Store in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 to 7 days.